All right, what's good, everyone? Welcome to a New York session live trading. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at taking some trades on gold. All right, so what I'm seeing on gold is pretty simple. On the 1 hour time frame, we've got a first touch here, second touch here, third touch there. You can already see the kind of movement that I'm looking for from New York session today. First target is going to be 2039, and then hopefully I can leave some runners into 2051. If we take a look at the 4 hour time frame, all right, cool. We have the creation of a bottom wick. The market has already retested that area. This is a high probability setup. We already have a double bottom here. Would have loved to enter this movement from here, but obviously I couldn't. So let's look for the market to continue pushing up from where we are now. 5 minute time frame. We do have a beautiful entry here. I'm going to go into one of my other accounts and I'm going to put in some buys over here because it does look like the market is giving us buying opportunities already. All right, because on the 5 minute time frame, you can see how we have a trend here. You've got higher highs and higher lows being created. This is an area on the 30 minutes and 50 minutes time frame that was retested already. There is a presence of a bottom wick, so we do want the market to continue pushing up. So here I'm just going to put a temporary target on the 15 minutes time frame of those highs. We'll be looking at least, how many pips is that? Let's take a look from here. You're looking at about 22 pips. All right, so I'm looking for it to be quite a big movement. Let's go into the 1 minute and see what's going on here. Not really worried about the fact that we have a reversal candlestick here, because we can see that the trend is still bullish here. So I am good for those buys. All right, let's just wait obviously 3 more minutes to see what happens. We might be able to add some entries just now, but let's just see what happens. All right, let's monitor from a 15 minutes time frame and see if this candlestick can flip. Once you see this candlestick flipping, you're going to get a break of highs and the market is just going to keep shooting up from there. I have to be very patient here. The market just closes above there. We're good. We're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. Just want to draw this area here of support and resistance on a 1 minute, because we could dash into that area first before we spike up, but we're good because I already opened positions. So I'm going to enter here if it comes back down, or we're going to be looking at entering above here. Okay, so wherever the market is by New York session, that is where I'm entering. All right, let's see if we can get some volume today. If we get some volume here, that would be very nice. Just following the overall trend, obviously. So that's a smaller time frame trade or setup. All right, that is the presence of an inverse hammer. We could enter here, but I'm just waiting 1 more minute to see what happens here. This is looking like a very good setup. This is a very good setup. Very, very good setup. All right, we've got 17 seconds left here. We're looking good. We're looking good. All right, cool. I'm entering my buys here on gold. Should see a huge explosion to the upside. All right, stop loss we're putting right here. And let's see what happens. All right, now we watch. Did the 50 minutes candlestick flip bullish? Yes, it did. All right, we're good for those buys. we're going to see a huge pop to the upside once we start breaking these highs here. Once we close above there, we're going to see a clean drive up. So let's see. Let's be patient. Crazy thing about the market is that sometimes it can embarrass you, but you gotta stay confident. See, embarrass you to do things like that. But remember, this is a 1 minute time frame, so we can't react to every single thing that the market does. Otherwise, gonna have multiple heart attacks. So let's just be calm and let's see what happens. I do believe that is a creation of a bottom wick on the 5 minute time frame, so that is nothing to worry about. All right, so when I say bottom wick, I just mean that we closed above here, so the market needed to come back and retest since we popped off first. So that's just a retest, and then you're going to see the market continue to push up with its original movement. Okay, back on the 1 minute time frame. Let's watch. All right, so we're re-breaking those highs now. You can see how the market is now popping off, which is perfect. Okay, you're going to see the market tap into 2037, and then we might look at moving stop loss to break even. See, things like this, like when you see the market doing that, rejecting like that, that's not something to worry about because you've just broken structure here. You needed to come back and retest. Unless this candlestick starts closing below here, that's when you start worrying. But right now, you shouldn't be worrying at all. Obviously, it comes with a bit more practice, and when you're a scalper, yeah, it's a bit scary, but promise you, you'll get used to it. So let's see a clean drive up. That's what I want to see. Let's see a clean drive up. This is still okay because this candlestick is going to close above here. So what I'm now going to do to manage my trade, all I'm going to do is clone this, and I'm going to draw my zone to show that we're still above this level here. So what the market here did was broke above, turned it into support, and then the market is going to keep pushing up. That's what I'm looking forward to happening. So the only time we'll start panicking is if the market starts coming below here. All right, so remember, we're just managing this from a 1 minute. On the 5 minute time frame, we're still good. We're still very good. All right, we're in an impulsive phase, we're good. 15 minutes time frame, rejection candle closed above here, we retested, we're still very good. So there's absolutely nothing to worry about right now. So this level here, you can see that it's a resistance here, and you can also see that the resistance there. Those are the two targets that we're using on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, if this candlestick closes above here, you're going to see another strong push to the upside. If this closes bullish, it's going to become a morning star candlestick pattern. You're still good for buy. So you develop with the market, guys. That's what you do. So here, the reason why we're not afraid is because there's an inverse hammer, which is a reversal candlestick. So when we see this as a resistance, all we want to do is buy again. So we're still good. I mean, at support, sorry, because this was a support area. So we still want to see the market pushing up. It takes great patience sometimes. Today, there's no volume in the market, obviously, because there's no news. So we'll probably be sitting here for another 5 to 10 minutes, but that's okay. That's really okay. Okay, we're seeing more volume into the market. Beautiful, beautiful movement this morning, or if it's in New York, it's this morning. So that's beautiful movement. And in America, All right, we're still pushing up beautifully. Still pushing up beautifully. Okay. This is beautiful, guys. All right, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm closing full here because my broker didn't hit take profit, but this is take profit. All right, so I'm gonna hold one of my positions, obviously, because I do think gold can continue pushing up. But guys, this is how you trade New York session. I hope you guys learned something today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to you guys.